This one's choreographed by Elliott and Helen. And we let this about 3 or 4 weeks ago at a workshop with Gordon before everything went into lockdown. So it's a relatively new dance, but really nice. Classes love it. So I'm going to start with a rock forward on the right foot and a 1.5 turn to the back. So it's forward, rock, 3 and 4, paddle 5, shuffle across, 7 and 8. We're doing a scissor step, so 1 and 2, quarter turn, back, rock, half turn shuffle, 5 and 6, side shuffle, 7 and 8. Let's just do that once more. Rocking with the right, forward for 1, 2, 3 and 4, paddle 5, 6, shuffle across, 7 and 8, scissors, 1, 2, quarter, 3, 4, half shuffle, 5 and 6, side shuffle, 7 and cross rock, full turn triple to the right, cross rock, 3 and 4, and then a cross rock, 1 1/4 to the left, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Pivot turn, step and pivot, and we're going to do a half turn lock back, 3 and 4, sweep, 5, sweep, 6, coast across, 7 and 8. Once more to there. Rocking with the right, forward, 1, 2, triple, 3 and 4, paddle 5, 6, 7 and scissors, 1 and 2, quarter 3, 4, half shuffle, 5 and 6, side shuffle, 7 and cross rock, 1, 2, roll to the left, 5, 6, 7 and pivot, 1, 2, half lock, 3 and 4, sweet, 5, 6, coast to 7 and 8. Now we're going to do some hips to the right, sways 1, 2, behind side cross, 3 and 4, sway to the left, 5, 6, behind quarter forward, 7 and 8. We're going to rock forward on the right for 1, 2 and 3, 4 together, then touch the right toe back, and we're twisting half back, and half, and take the weight onto the right foot. Okay, 2 samba steps, left samba step, right samba step, left sailor step, and we're going to touch the right toe back and do a half turn to the back. Nearly finished. We're doing 2 vaudevilles with the left first, so it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4 together, forward rock and a coaster, 5, 6, 7 and 8. End of dance. We're going to do a tag at the end of wall 1, which is a rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 hip sways, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready to start. And then we've got a restart on wall 2 after count 16 facing the front. So we'll just do wall 2 up to there, rocking from the back, forward 1, 2, roll 3 and 4, paddle 5, 6, shuffle 7 and scissors, 1 and 2, quarter 3, half shuffle, 5 and 6, side shuffle 7 and restart here.